subscribe. Now we are coloring capital letter B. Capital letter B. B for ball. Now we are sketching the B letter. Which color it is? Blue color. Blue color. Blue color capital B. B for blue. B for ball. B capital letter. Now we coloring capital B with blue color. B for blue. Blue color. This is the capital B letter. Now we are coloring the ball. B for ball. Coloring ball with green color. Green color ball. And also now we are coloring with red color. Red color ball. Now coloring with red color. Red color ball. Red and green color ball. Red and green shaded ball. Capital B. B for ball. B for ball. Capital B. B for ball.